Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. No matter what season it is, curd rice is something that we all enjoy. So today I'm going to show you all an interesting curd rice recipe which has a few elements that make it more flavorful than the plain curd rice. It is very easy to make and you can also carry it in your lunch boxes. So let's get started and check out how to make this really yummy and creamy curd rice. I have taken full cream milk for this recipe in a clay pot and made thick curd as you can see here. And we are going to make the curd rice with this nice rich and creamy curd. I've washed and cooked 1 cup of normal rice in a pressure cooker. It is a bit soft already and I'm mashing it to make it more softer in texture. This way the curd rice will be gooey and nice. Make sure every cooked grain is softened well. Transfer this to a large bowl. Now add 1 cup of boiled and cooled milk to the rice first. This lets the curd rice stay fresh for a longer time without it getting sour. You can just mix the rice along with the milk. This becomes a bit mushy, but don't worry at all because this is the perfect texture for a nice enjoyable curd rice. You can add more milk if required. Since the rice absorbed all the milk, I'm adding 1 more cup of boiled and cooled milk here. Give it all a quick mix and keep the rice aside for 5 minutes to let it set. At this point, you can add the thick curd to the rice mixture. I'm adding 3 good ladles of curd, but you can adjust it according to your preference. Give it all a quick mix and add more curd if the rice is too thick. Curd rice is really good for our gut and consuming it every day would maintain a great balance of the good bacteria inside our tummies. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if you find this mixture thick and dry. Water gives a gooey consistency we are looking for. So gradually add it but don't add too much. This is how we want the rice to be. Now for the seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of salt, some finely chopped ginger, roughly about 1 to 2 teaspoons, 2 de-seeded and finely chopped green chilies, some grated carrot, and a few pomegranate arils. I personally love the taste of pomegranate in curd rice and hence I'm adding them. But you can skip them if you don't want any sweetness in your rice. And you can also add some finely chopped or grated mango if you like some sour taste in this dish. This is a wonderful dish for summers and even otherwise. This dish soothes your tummy like nothing else. Now for the tempering, take 2 teaspoons of oil in a tempering pan. Heat it and add 1 teaspoon of urud dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and saute. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, turn off the heat. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is Ayurveda powder, a few fresh curry leaves and some thinly sliced shallots. Shallots are a great addition to this dish, but I'd say these are optional. Turn on the heat again, maintain the flame on low and roast the shallots for about 30 seconds. After the tempering is done, transfer it to the curd rice and mix it all well. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves and mix it all again. That's all. Our calming and soothing and delicious curd rice is ready to be served. Garnish it with some pomegranate arils and grated carrot on top to make it look more beautiful. You can serve this as is or you can have it with some pickle or papad by the side. You can also refrigerate it for up to 30 minutes to 1 hour and then serve it nice and chilled. Since we've added a lot of milk, this doesn't get spoiled quickly and doesn't become sour, and you can also pack this for your lunch boxes happily. Enjoy your summer with this creamy and delicious curd rice. I prefer my curd rice nice and rich and creamy like this, the way I have made it. Both kids and adults will absolutely enjoy it. You can also have it when you're unwell or if you have a bad tummy. Now, I would recommend you to try this and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And don't forget to share the recipe with all your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.